everyone. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for Wednesday, May 25th. I already discussed the big event of the day, the Bank of Canada rate decision, in my European opening comment, so I won't go over that ground again. As for the U.S. indicators, the first one today is the market, service sector, and composite PMIs. These don't have as much impact as the manufacturing PMI does, but they do move the currency market somewhat, and so they are worth watching. They're expected to show a modest rise, although the market manufacturing PMI was expected to rise too, and that fell. Another disappointment here could cause the dollar rally to stall. U.S. oil inventories were expected to start falling last week, but instead they rose. So the market expects an even bigger decline this week. Will the seasonal destocking trend start up? If not, if there's yet another inventory build, the oil market may have to change its view, not only on oil, but on the Canadian dollar too. Overnight, the G7 meeting of heads of government begins in Japan. There is no sign from the finance ministers meeting that they're going to come up with any coordinated plan to rescue the global economy. I expect them to come out against Brexit, against tax evasion, and in favor of free markets, but with no concrete change in direction for any of the participants. Australian private capital expenditure has fallen for the last 3 years as the mining sector slowed. There was a rise in the fourth quarter last year, but this was the exception, and spending is expected to resume its decline in the first quarter. So far, no other sector has been able to take the place of the mining sector. A further decline could be negative for the Australian dollar, which in any case has been hit recently by crumbling oil ore prices. Finally, New Zealand announces its 2016 budget. The focus is likely to be on keeping the debt under control rather than undertaking any new spending initiatives. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.